Welcome to my channel. This is an indication of some of the things that I cover on a regular basis in my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so, and don't forget to click the little bell so that you'll get notified of future videos. Please feel free to share my videos on your social media, and I hope you enjoy the video which follows. It's a bit fierce out here today. Plenty of beach to walk on anyway. I won't be anywhere near the surf, but I don't think we'll walk as far as I normally do. Grand Manan off there, and down towards the southern end of Grand Manan, you can't see it at all. So that's a snow squall headed this way, or what that is. Roads here are bare. Storm didn't amount to much here at all, except for this wind, obviously. We had a bit of snow, nothing much, an inch or two, but as usual we've had lots of wind, and the surf here at our famous beach is quite spectacular today. Got Angel out for her walk on the beach, but I don't think we're going to be walking as far as we usually go. The temperature is 2 degrees, but with this wind, the chill factor, it certainly feels a lot colder than that. So we're about to turn around and go back, I guess. Angel doesn't have her sweater on because it was above freezing. I don't put it on her when it's above freezing. But I think she would be getting kind of cold. So I'll put these 2 or 3 little clips together and put up a short little video of just like in a winter storm. Wow, the wind is unbelievable. Well, thank you very much for watching.